Select any published Jumprope and go to Save and Share Videos. Find the IGTV export and hit Save. When it downloads, hit Done. It'll now be in your camera roll. Open Instagram and hit the plus button. The app will automatically select long video to share to IGTV if your video is longer than 1 minute. Select a frame of the video to act as the cover on your IGTV page. If you want to share the video to your feed with a preview, make sure that you slide your Jumprope up or down to account for however much text or video you want to see in the feed preview. If you do share to your feed, you can also adjust your profile cover. This is what will appear on your Instagram feed. Add a title and description and hit share whenever you're ready.